In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Notion. By the end, you'll have your Google events showing right inside Notion Calendar, and you'll be able to link them to your Notion pages for smooth planning and documentation. First, install Notion Calendar. Head to notion.com/product/calendar in your browser. You can download the desktop or mobile app if you prefer working from an app, or open it on the web if that's more convenient. Notion Calendar is designed to feel familiar if you've used other calendars, but it adds powerful connections to your Notion workspace. Once it's installed or open, you're ready for the quick setup. Next, sign in with your Notion account. Use the same account you rely on for your workspace so everything stays in sync. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're signing into the one where you plan to organize your projects and notes. Once you're signed in, Notion Calendar will recognize your workspace and prepare to connect your events. Now, connect your Google account. You'll see a prompt to add an account. Choose Google. A secure Google window will open asking for permission. Grant access so Notion Calendar can read your calendars and display your events. This is a standard authorization step, and you can always manage permissions later in your Google account settings. Keep in mind, you never need to share passwords with anyone. Just complete the secure sign-in flow. After that, select the Google calendars you want to sync. Many people have more than one, like a primary personal calendar, shared team calendars, or holidays. Pick the ones you actually want to see in Notion Calendar. You can change these choices later, so don't worry if you want to start simple and add more over time. Color coding carries over, which makes it easy to tell work from personal at a glance. Your events will now show inside Notion Calendar. You'll see your schedule populate, and you can switch views, day, week, or month, to suit your planning style. One of the best parts is that you can link events to Notion pages. For example, attach a meeting to its corresponding project doc, so your agenda, notes, and action items are just one click away from the calendar. This keeps everything connected and reduces context switching. That's all there is to it. Install Notion Calendar, sign in, connect Google, choose your calendars, and your events appear, ready to link to your Notion pages. Enjoy the cleaner workflow and happier schedule planning.